Hello everyone, I'm John Jang from Chisun Valve. Today, I will show you our spray workshop. How is this product sprayed? Our Chisun Valve spray workshop. I'll show you today. This is our product. Let's see how our appearance is made. Let me introduce to you. Our workshop covers an area of 1,000 square meters. Spray to lines. This one is our small diameter valve spraying line. The other one is our large diameter valve spraying line. The maximum weight of this hanging is 5 tons. Now take a look. It's all accessories. How did this product start? For example, these are blank parts. We wait until the blank parts to be sprayed. Like this is a laser cutting. After cutting, it is an accessory waiting to be sprayed that is bent and shaped. This accessory is now waiting to be sprayed, and it needs to be sandblasted for several processes. There are several processes such as sandblasting, spraying, scraping, preheating, and then plastic spraying. I will show you this tool. Our master has already hung this up, ready to go in for sandblasting. This is the product waiting for the sandblasting process. This is the first sandblasting area. Sandblasting inside for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes, go to the other side and blast for 15 minutes. Go through 2 sandblasting processes. This product is already sandblasted. The appearance of the product is relatively bright. No black. You can stick it on your face without getting dirty. It's already very clean, isn't it? Then after we finish sandblasting, we have to choose here which ones need to be scraped and which ones do not need to be scraped. Pick it up after scraping it. After the selection, the unqualified ones with holes have to be filled in, qualified, and it's done. So the work here needs to be very careful, not to have a sand hole in it. We're going to set it up. It's called the scraping program. This scraper has to figure it out, but the high temperature scraping ash use putty to fill the small holes, carefully fill. Then after the completion, our workers will go online to him here. Hang up. The workers are all hanging up. Hook up from here to enter the first furnace. Preheating furnace. The first furnace is ready to go. I'll show you. After hanging up, go in from here. It's almost 100 meters. Then come out from there. I'll show you all again. Our process goes in from here, and it takes 100 meters to walk here. 100 meters is to go in from the preheater, and then come out from here. You see our pendants are arranged from here to the top, very high. Then come out of there. After coming out, we will spray. Dusting. These 2 are automatic reciprocating electrostatic powder sprayers. Automatic powder spraying onto opposite sides. This is the automatic reciprocating electrostatic powder sprayer. After spraying, we have 2 personal touch-ups here. There are 2 artificial touch-ups on the back. They are very careful. 2 people and another person watching from behind. To prevent in case of whitening, there can be no whitening. Then open here. After we sprayed it, you can see that there is nothing white on this. It's all sprayed well. But now you can't touch. If you touch it, you'll be stained. This place is untouchable. Here to go in the secondary curing. The secondary curing temperature should reach 180. Secondary curing in it for 18 minutes. This is the curing oven. It is about 80 to 90 meters away from here. Very bright product. This one has come out of the stove. This has temperature, still hot. I'll show you how to get out of here. This is the stove. Out of this furnace. It's very hot in here. The temperature is close to 180 C. It's hot on this. Very hot. Then the workers on our side have already started going offline. It's hot here. Here are 2 electric fans. The fan blows and then it cools. Take off the line after cooling. Take a look at our spray line. Our back powder. Powder recovery. A worker immediately recycles the powder. Recycle and reuse. Then he added powder directly. Our first worker is spraying. Manual touch-up paint. Repeated use of powder. So our set is a fully automatic plastic spraying line. Powder comes out from here. This powder will automatically drop the powder. Then manually take the powder directly from here. Then sieve. Direct sieve powder can be used. We're back here. You see our workers here are repeatedly online. Offline over there, online here. Plastic spraying is such a repeated online and offline. Guarantee our entire product process to several processes. The first batch of blanks comes in for sandblasting. After sandblasting, it should be drenched here. Scrape dust after dipping. After scraping the ashes, the workers have to go online. Warm up online. Spray after preheating. Spray recuring. A total of so many processes. Today our workers may have to work until 12 o'clock at night. Work overtime. Do all this process. Therefore, this process ensures that our spray products reach a certain quality. That's it. Thank you all.